if you are a science student and you're sitting next to another science student, eventually you're going to start talking about what you're doing in the lab. And that's also one of the purposes of this, is to help build collaboration, and that hopefully will translate into interdisciplinary research. So even this summer there were many students who are on multiple posters from different departments even, and this is just the way our students are. It's the way science is done now. It's very interdisciplinary. They don't care about departments, I think, as much as we do, and research really isn't always in those categories. So this is another way of just crossing those borders. So in previous years, maybe they went to a meeting if their advisor was going to a meeting, and then you have Student Projects Day, which is in the spring. That's a whole year, almost a whole year later. It's a lot different. This year, I think we just said this is what we're doing at the end of the summer, and I don't know if they thought any different. This is what's expected, so you'll go and do it.
The summer research program was just amazing. I mean, like, we spent a lot of time bonding with our faculty, and we got to know everyone a lot more. One of the research I did that derived into two studies was going out into the field site and studying about these trees called pawpaws. These pawpaw plants had natural predators and stuff, and so one of the things about it is that the flowers are relatively small, like smaller than my hand, and spiders like to go inside and like make their web and stop, eat the flies that are coming in. And we were wondering, does this stop the plant from reproducing? So then later on, we found out that another part of the study was about this caterpillar called the epimetheus that eats the plant pawpaw and eats other shrubbery too. So we were trying to study about that life cycle because not much was on it. So we were doing that. And then my last research was something that really intrigued me, was trying to sequence fairy shrimp DNA. And that's how it started. But then it led to something else, and it led to something more. And so it started from wanting to sequence fairy shrimp DNA to wanting to sequence pillbug, and along with jumping stick. So in the end, it was just, I want to sequence them all. It's a wonderful experience, and I don't know which freshman would not want to sign up for this.